Welcome to Brain Vision.
This is question 46 from chapter 16 and it's asking what is the central idea of collision? So, the central idea of collision is that particles, including atoms, molecules, or ions, have to collide to react. But collisions can't be the only determining factor, or the reactions will be over very quickly. That's the central idea. And so the next part is asking, what is the effect of concentration on the reaction rate? So the concentration must be multiplied because the number of collision depends on the products of the numbers of reactions and not the sum. So we don't really care about addition. So for example, let's say we have two A molecules and two B molecules. So let's say we add one more A, giving it 3A and 2B. So when you multiply 3 times 2, now you have 6, compared to just adding, where 3 plus 2 is 5. So there's less. So this is why we multiply. So it has that's the effect of concentration on the reaction rate.